any cheap hotels?
Yes, are there any cheap hotels in your town? Very good.
We would like to stay.
You would like to say somewhere in the center. Very good.
Can you help us?
Superb, and you will help us. You are able to get the first five done. Very nice. Yeah, 5 out of 5. Dear Carlos, go for it. Careful, careful, careful. Don't go fast. Go accurate.
Can I take 2 minutes time?
Yes, take your time. Take your time. You are going to be all right. You have one margin of error. Still 5 out of 5. If you get a 4 out of 5, that's you are in the elite group.
Yeah.
Subject. Look at the subject. 46 should be easy. Very basic word only. Should be easy.
Sir, may I?
Go for it.
Dear Carlos.
Hotels in the center.
Hotels in the center are expensive.
Very good. Are expensive. Super. Good job.
But I have good news. I will spoke to my auntie.
Careful. Dash spoken. Dash spoken. So we studied those 20 structures. I'll give a clue. Third structure. I'll give a clue.
I was spoke.
Third.
I was spoken to my.
Third. Can you repeat it? Third structure. Present perfect. Why? Third. It's a present perfect. Still, you have not made a mistake. Even if you make a mistake 47, you have to come out trying with 48, 49, and 50. Don't worry.
Spoken to my.
I have spoken. Very good. Very good. Super.
I have spoken to my aunt Gorilla.
No, Gorilla. Gloria.
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 Sorry, sir. My aunt Gloria about you, and she says you can all stay at her
careful. Yes, her house. Super.
At her house.
Careful.
It dash more bedrooms.
Why?
It
Simple present. And also
Uh,
only one word. It.
it have more bedrooms.
Yo, it. You are very close to answer. Why will you have for it to have? I have, we have, you have, he.
It will, it,
He, she, it. I have, we have, you have. He, she, it. Yes, Kanishka. I have, we have, you have. He, she, it. We got the base table done, right? Couple of times. You are there so close.
it
I have, we have, you have, he, she, it. Have becomes what, Kanishka?
had,
Had is the past tense, isn't it?
it has more,
Has, it has. See, you made a mistake there. It has more bedrooms than my house.
it has more bedrooms than my house. That, that
The
dash,
tag question. Look at the tag question. That dash be all right for you, won't it?
that will be all right for
That
you.
will be all right for you. Very good, very good, very good. You almost scored a 9. Not a bad deal. It has more bedrooms. You need to take care of this next month with true friends. Where to stay? Are there any cheap hotels? We would like. Can you help us? Hotels in the center are expensive. I have spoken to my aunt. At her house, it has more bedrooms. That will be all right. Super. I will send you the screenshot as I told you. You have
Okay.
to record your voice and send it across to me.
Okay.
Okay, good job, good job. I know like you have done a good job and we'll take it from there. Super, super. Thank you. I'll see you day after tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, okay, see.
All right, all right. Good job.